Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take better portraits on HONOR X7d using the depth sensor. So let's start with what makes portrait mode so special on HONOR X7d. This phone uses a dedicated 2 megapixel depth sensor to measure distance between your subject and the background. It then creates a depth map, basically a virtual layer, so that the camera can blur the background while keeping the person in perfect focus, as you can see for yourself. So let's go deeper into it. Once you open the camera app and go to the portrait mode, you'll notice this icon, which enables the slider, which controls how intense the background blur looks. So if you want a more natural portrait, set it to around 4 to 5.6. level, and for more I'd say dramatic effect, you have to go lower to about 2.0, somewhere around it, but watch for the edges that look too soft. Also, I recommend tapping on the subject to focus on it, and make sure that the background isn't too close to it, and shoot from about an arm's length away. This helps the depth sensor separate the subject cleanly. Okay, and now let's talk about theory. So great portraits aren't just about the blur, they're about composition and lighting. Here are 3 quick tips to make your shots stand out. First of all, find good lighting. So position your subject facing a soft light source like a window or shaded area outdoors, and I recommend avoiding harsh sunlight that creates uneven shadows. And use the rule of thirds if you are making a portrait of someone up close. Turn on grid lines in camera settings. To do that, you have to tap right here and then select grid line, and also use the level to level your phone's cameras, so that you know when you're keeping your phone straight. And after that, line up your subject's eyes near the upper third for a balanced composition, and also check your background, because the depth sensor works best when there's a clear separation, a few meters between subject and background. Adds beautiful, clean depth. And also, as a bonus tip, tap on your subject's face to ensure the proper exposure. This keeps skin tones accurate and natural. And after taking your shot, take a look at it in gallery, and if needed, you can use this AI edit tool to edit your photo and adjust it once the shot was taken. You can adjust different settings: the brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, highlight, shadows, hue, and black-white mode. You can also use this magic retouch features if you want to erase something from the photo, if you want to upscale it, if you want to cut out your person from the background. And also you can use AI outpainting, though I don't think this feature is useful when taking portraits. However, these are all the tips for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.